Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni uritio kuriha mathiri maria eri namo kuri thibitari cia kaunti ya Nyeri iria ciumanite na insurance ya ugima wa mwiri ya hau kabere ya NHIF na ino njeru ya SHA kuona ni irahotomia utungata mathibitari-ini maingi.
535 magana meri ma 30 mari iria cia NHIF na icio ingi ni cia SHA na no ikirehagwo mweri 14 kiria kiona.
Mwena-ini wake moderator wa kanitha wa PCA bururi-ini Thego Mutahi akiuga ministry ino iri na mathiri mathibitari ciao wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 5 kuona matire mararihu mathiri ma NHIF na SHA no yongereire mangi.
Ithabu ria njeriga kuheo ni ria bilioni 5 iria riu tu thiri uri tomotomo wicogoria na Kikuyu na ni wakiona thibitari icio ni ire andu ciandikite tondu matikirehagwo ni thirikari marigitari na aruti a wira marehagwo ni thibitari na budget iyo irio ireagwo ni murwaru kuu dawa ihuthagirwo ni murwaru thibitari ni irehaga riu kurehaga kurihwo mbeca cia SHA nikio murona mundu agithii thibitari akerwo wako wina kandi ya SHA ndugaturehe.
Itemi-ini ria kuriha mathire maya mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Ouma Oruga akiuga ni marikitie kuria ministry ya kigina bururi-ini imathukire ciringi bilioni 5.3 kuhetukira budget ya nyongerera iria mubunge wa Nyeri Duncan Maina Mathenge augite ni kuhetukio ica-ini ikuhi.
Separated that these bills will only be for county governments. As a matter of fact, they are mission hospital, county governments and private, and we have already separated. We have sat with all the mission hospitals. I think you have seen every time we sit down with them and we break down, there has been a lot of clarity. That is part of the 5.3 billion that has been submitted to the National Treasury.
Magukorwo mahoete bunge imahitukirie mbeca wa mbere cia kuriha mathiri maria mari ma mathibitari maria matigirwo ni ruhonge ruria twatharirie rwetagwo NHIF na mbeca cia kuongerera igina ici giki gia Primary Health Care Fund na kia emergency na chronic.
Hadu-ini Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Jeta Theuri wa Bogo.